Good morning, children. I am Binod Kumar Yadav, your English teacher. Today, I shall teach you Chapter 6 Prepositions. You know, preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or pronoun with another word in a sentence. Worksheet 1. Question number 1. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. The number A. The cherries are the bowl. Number B. The rats jumped the river. Number C. The boy is standing the bench. Do you think the above sentences make sense? No. Now compare these sentences with the following. Number D. The cherries are in the bowl. Number E. The rats jumped into the river. Number F. The boy is standing on the bench. In the sentence D, the word in shows the relation between the cherries and the bowl. In sentence E, the word into shows the relation between jumping and the river. Similarly, in sentence F, the word on shows the relation between each standing and the bench. The words in, into, on are prepositions. So you should remember a preposition shows the relation between a noun or pronoun with another word in a sentence. A few prepositions are mentioned below. In. In is used to show the inside. When something is in that big thing. Suppose that we are in the room. On shows the things which is touching the floor on the upper side, as the book is on the table. At shows the very nearest thing. The cat is at the corner. Under shows something as down, as the cat is under the table. Below shows the also down positions. So read the questions below. as a few prepositions are mentioned below. Behind shows the back side. There is a school behind the road. Over. Over shows the upper layer. When it does not touch the ground, it crosses only up and down. As there is a bridge over the Ganges, Ganges. Near shows the past, which is very close. There are many shops near our schools. Into. Into shows the motion. He jumped into the river. In front of. In front of there is a dog. In front of my house. Upon. Upon shows the upper layer. We depends upon our parents. Beside. It shows the closest thing. There is a cat beside the computer. Between shows when the two things are in the middle. There is a cat between the lion and the dog. After. He runs after the wealth. Before. Before. He had never read it before. Look at the following pictures and note the usage of prepositions. Number A. The puppy is in the basket. The puppy is on the table. The puppy is sitting near the basket. Number D. The puppy is behind the basket. Number E. The puppy is sitting between the two baskets. The puppy is sitting among the kittens. Among is used where more than two things. The puppy is sitting under the fan. The puppy is sitting under the table. The puppy is sleeping beside its mother. The puppy is jumping over the box. The puppy is going into the kennel. The puppy is running around the basket. All the words in the sentences above are, which are in the bold letters, they are prepositions. Question number 4. Underline the preposition in the following sentences. The little boy hid behind his mother. The people gathered in the stadium. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Don't stand near the electric pole. The books were arranged on the shelf. The books were arranged in the book rack. Distribute the chocolates among the students. distribute the chocolate between the two brothers. The princess was locked inside the castle. July comes after June. The birds flew over the field. Rohit is sitting beside his father. The river water is flowing above the danger mark. The river water is flowing below the danger mark. The shooter aimed at the target. All these underlined words are also prepositions. Do worksheet 2, page number 38 to 40. Question number 1, 2, 3.